Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Lesson number 2, Social Work. Students, in previous lecture I told you that what is social work and what does social worker do. Okay? In previous lecture we did the reading of page number 12 and a bit part of page number 13. Alright, and today we shall be reading the remaining part of page number 13. We shall be doing the remaining reading of lesson number 2, Social Work. Students, open your textbook to page number 13. Keep finger on line number 1 and read aloud with me. Social workers perform various jobs. Social case workers work in family service agencies, medical and psychiatric hospitals and clinics, public agencies, or industrial settings. Clinical social workers try to help the persons to overcome their difficulties, particularly psychological ones, or to obtain appropriate assistance. Group social workers are concerned with planning or leading activities of a group. They coordinate with the mega projects of rehabilitation centers, hospitals, or shelter homes. Social planners are adept in social legislation and facilitate self-help programs initiated by local common interest groups or communities. Community organizers sometimes overlap these social planners. They are actively engaged in community councils or social agencies. Social work emphasizes the structure of an agency because it is the social agency that is responsible for the provision of social services to their clients. Social agencies are largely public statutory agencies, but their circle is widened day by day, and the private organizations like adoption services, foster homes, child care institutions, widow homes, and juvenile training schools are also included. Social work asks for the development of an infrastructure and has minimized the chances of wastage or overlapping of philanthropic services. It also requires sociological analysis of a social problem in addition to legal and psychoanalytical ones. Sociological analysis is usually based on the study of samples of a problem in which data are arranged, gathered, and interpreted scientifically to find a better solution to the problem. We should take help of social workers to eradicate our social problems and enhance and enrich the development of the people as well as the society. Okay, students? Now look, on page number 13, different jobs and different categories of social workers are given. For example, social case workers work in family service agencies. Okay. Clinical social workers try to help the person to overcome their difficulties. Group social workers are concerned with planning or leading activities. And social workers also work for widow, juvenile, and many more. Okay, students? Social workers not only provide a better infrastructure but also help the people to compete with their sociological or psychological problems. Okay, students? So we should take help of social workers so that we could remove social problems from our society. Alright? Now here our lesson number 2 completes. We have completed the reading of social work. Now here are some of the new words of page number 13. And yes, we have already done the new words of page number 12 in our previous lecture. Okay, students? So our word number 1 is psychiatric. The word psychiatric means of or relating to psychiatry, and psychiatry is used to diagnose, treat, and study the mental disorders. Okay. Word number 2 is obtain. The meaning of obtain is to gain. Word number 3 is assistance. The meaning of assistance is help. The word number 4 is adapt. Adapt means well skilled. Word number 5 is initiate. The meaning of word initiate is to begin or to start. Next word is overlap. The meaning of overlap is to extend over and partly cover something. The next word is emphasize. Emphasize means to stress. Another word is juvenile. The meaning of juvenile is young. Word number 9 is interpret. Interpret means to explain. And the last word is eradicate. The meaning of word eradicate is to destroy completely. Okay, students? Thank you.